We're on YouTube.
Hi guys.
Well, the Vaughan's Days out, guys. We are in Newport for the big splash. So we're trying to see what's on. There's entertainment everywhere, so try and catch us as much as we can. So I need kind of words out then.
There'll be a half an hour video.
And we're gonna see what's around. Camel. What's that?
We're doing very well. Make me look good, sir. Make me look good. Yes.
Vaughan's Days Out on YouTube. In typical Vaughan's Days Out tradition is the Taco Bell. Guys, on Vaughan's Days Out we got a celebrity, Steven Seagull. Go guys, in a little fair bit. Dander's ride here. I think this is the Stuart Dander one. We also got Tagada and a fun house. So we'll have it now. I'm not sure whose Tagada is. I'm going to find out. Oh, it's Evan's Tagada. It's going to be a good one this as well. Evan's Tagada. We've also got the Toontown Funhouse. My Lexi now on the funhouse. Lexi dancing. Where Marty is, can't see him. It's around somewhere. Good boy. Some more stalls, guys. Roll up and win a prize. Got a little toy set here, guys, and we got the airplanes. So guys, Amy Dander's Racerama and Amy Dander's Waltzers. And nestled around the tree here, guys, we've got the Terminator Miami. Well, absolutely stunning machine. Marley on his favourite ride, the Racerama. He always loves these rides. A waltzer with some banging tunes. And me and Marty's on the balloon ride. Marlene's on the waltzers. Alexi's over on it. Here we go. Ready, Marty, go have a ride? Here we go. On my POV. Ready, spin as well. You spin. Whee! Have fun. What's this in a waltzer though? Whee! Ready, can you spin us again? Whee! Balloon mode. Let's spin it fast. Have fun. Should we go the other way? Turn the other way. Lexi. Go on, hey. We're in waltzer mode. Hey, Molly, you make me dizzy, really. Woo! They go the other way. Spin the other way now. Ready? Spin the other way. Hey! Have fun. Alexi. Oh, we're off again. Smelly spin us again. Where's it going? Why are we? Spinning.
Daddy, go!
I've been told. Hey! Have fun. The first time I went these machines actually. Not too bad. Hey! Have fun, Marty.
Go then!
Hey! Spinning that.
What?
You spinning that. Here we go, we've got the winner. Hee-hee! Go the other way. Oh, bit of speed now. Let's spin the other way. Nice smash the other way. Ready, ready. We're so fast this way. Hey, oh, we go again. Lexi on the swim boat. Oh, here we go again. Riley Smith again. Extreme. And we're going back down now, guys. Here we go. Oh, we're still spinning. Marley's still spinning us. Have fun, Marley. Have fun.
Strong! Horace is strong! Smelly! Smelly! Join the Vikings!
Got Extreme Gamers front, yeah? So let's see what's inside there, guys. Oh wow, so the whole gaming consoles and stuff in there. There he is, Tony the Balloon Man. We're actually upstairs near the front, guys. Like Nemo. Lexi getting his circus skills on. Let's go this way. And Marley's also getting his circus skills on. Oh, that's cool, Marley. You gonna do that one, babe? We're gonna go doing a bit of aerial things on the ring. We'll try to get the ball at the board without losing it. It's gonna go through the hole. Oh, lost already. Go on then, try and get in then. No way to do that, you gotta go from the side up, man, you ready? So Madeline can do it. Oh, nearly, Madeline. Oh, awesome. Well done, girl. Lexi, here we go. Try and get in that hole, Lexi. Just gotta hit it a bit harder. Up. Come on, Molly. Come on, Lexi. Ready? Too hard. Too hard. Too hard. Oh, sorry. Oh, nearly. Fails.
That's a gentle touch on the
Backflip. another round of applause. Let's go. Well done. Thank you very much. You can get some snippers down there. Alright guys, we've got red, or green in the middle there, or red down this end, or purple. Red, that's a good choice. Alright, let's take the red now. That's good. Alright, let's take the red. We've got red. Good. Are you ready? Right, hold your eyes straight in the air. And this there, and this in the air as well. Stay there, look towards me. No, hey. Alright, fine. Ready? Perfect. Look towards the camera, smile, say cheese. Oh my goodness. Alright, now lift up one leg in the air. Now lift the other leg at the same time.
Now while you're here, you're going to try to spin the basket.
1, 2,
You and I believe in you. If you do one hand, just hold it one hand just here. Hold that really tight, really still.
which colour would you like? Would you like a red sticker?
Oh my god, you're spinning the
or a
basketball
purple
on a
sticker?
stick.
Oh.
It's an ice cream.
Hey, Mario.
Silver, purple, or green.
Yeah, so you said you couldn't do it and you did it. Please.
Perfect. Good at that. With an ice cream as well.
Bruce Bog Trotter, you ate my cake. Look guys, here's like the programme of all the acts that are on. As you see, there is a lot of things on, so couldn't see everything, but try and see what we can. And here's a legend to go on my YouTube channel.
Happy Independence Day to Colombia.
That's pretty cool. Ride a bike and then the bubbles come out with the machine, like the flower. And there's the bubble machine in action. And they just turn the wheel of the bike. Lexi's racing. Oh, Lexi's winning. Keep going, Lexi. Keep going, catch up with Lexi. Lexi's winning. Lexi won. Lexi versus Marley. Oh, it's close. Close. Marley, you're winning. Marley won. Marley won. Push your legs out, Marley. Look, the bubbles come. Ready? See if I can get it. Pedal, Marley. I think your legs are a bit too short. Lexi's doing the bubble machine now. There we go, Lexi. Ready? The red carpet special. There you go. Am I going to pose as well?
Have you any words to say?
No, he's like, no. No, you're allowed. Well, that's it, guys, from the Big Splash here in Newport.
One day's out. I hope you subscribe our video.
Like and subscribe, guys. One day's out on YouTube.